Welcome to today's video. I'm sharing with you 5 quick and easy dinners that the whole family will love. I really like quick meals because we are really busy. I have 2 boys that play sports. We're in the middle of baseball season, so I need easy dinners. So I hope that these 5 dinners give you some motivation to do some meal planning for your family. I hope that you love them as much as we do. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners. So this first dinner is going to be some frozen meatballs, which we do a lot, and they're so easy in the crock pot. This is going to be some French onion meatballs, huge hit in our house, and very easy dump and go. So I'm using about 20 to 30 frozen meatballs. I have my onion soup mix. I just use the Walmart brand. You can use the Lipton onion soup mix also. A can of French onion condensed soup, and I have some beef broth that I'm going to make 1 cup of, and I'm going to simmer these meatballs in this yummy sauce all day, and you can do it on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. Meatballs are so great just simmering in a yummy sauce all day, and my kids just love these. So these are a huge hit with the family and could not be easier. So I'm going to serve with a side of rice. You can do a side of noodles also, anything to soak up the yummy sauce. So I'm going to do some sweet potatoes. We have been really eating a lot of sweet potatoes lately, but I'm going to do some diced up sweet potatoes, and I'm going to do a turkey patty as well. So I'm going to cut up this sweet potato. I'm going to use my veggie chopper as well once I get this sweet potato cut into kind of like some strips. So I'm going to add it into my little veggie chopper, which makes it a lot easier. And then everything's the same size, so it cooks all the same, which I love, and just makes everything a lot easier. Easy to clean also, so this is just kind of the way to go for me on chopping this sweet potato. So once it is all chopped up, I can just pull it out like this. I just love this little veggie chopper. And I'm going to add it onto the side of my sheet pan. I'm going to cook everything on the sheet pan all at once, which really helps with cleanup, makes things really easy. So I'm going to add some olive oil, some seasoning salt, and some garlic powder as well, but season to taste. I'm going to give this a little toss. My oven is preheating right now to 350 degrees. So I have a pound of ground turkey. I have, once again, my onion soup mix that we use in a lot of different things because it's so great. It has so much awesome flavor. So I'm going to give this a nice mix into my ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you like. We do a lot of ground turkey. It's just way less greasy, super lean, and we just really prefer it in our house. So I'm just going to make a little patty out of the ground turkey. So I'm going to do 4 patties with this. Like I said, I'm just adding everything to 1 sheet pan, which makes this so easy and just the best when it's easy cleanup. I'm going to add on a little sliced up onion as well to my sweet potato, give another little toss. Then this will be ready to go. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Awesome dinner that the whole family loves. So I'm going to do some shredded chicken. We have been really having a lot of shredded chicken lately. So it's just chicken, and I'm adding in, this is our favorite kind of seasonal types seasoning. It's a garlic seasonal, and we put it on our chicken, on our tri-tip, on just about everything. So I'm going to cook this chicken in the crock pot. You can do it on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can do it on high for 3 to 4 hours, whichever you have time for. And now that this chicken has been cooking, it is just really tender. It just falls apart. So I have my chicken shredder that you guys see in all of my videos. I use it multiple times a week. I cannot get enough of this chicken shredder. It's just my absolute favorite thing in the universe right now. So I am going to just give it a little spin, shred this chicken up. It's amazing. I made a video a couple weeks ago of all the different ways we have been using shredded chicken, so go check that out. And I'm going to make another video using shredded chicken coming up soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like chicken as much as we do, I have lots of different ways for you to mix it up, give it some different flavors so you don't get bored of that chicken. But we love chicken, so I have lots of chicken recipes on my channel. So I just added all this shredded chicken back into the juices of the chicken and give it a little toss, and it is just amazing. We eat this plain a lot of times, put it on salads, on sandwiches, and all kinds of things. It's so, so versatile. So I'm going to be doing a chicken teriyaki rice and broccoli, and this is kind of one of our go-tos, and I love this katsu Japanese steak sauce. It is my favorite. Drizzle it on there. Amazing dinner. I'm going to do a rotisserie chicken casserole. You can use any kind of cooked chicken, but this is really easy. This is a chicken noodle casserole, and my family loves it. So I have 2 cups of egg noodles. I have a cup of frozen peas and carrots, and I have some corn that I'm going to drain as well and add that in. I'm going to make kind of a sauce for the casserole. So I have some milk. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box, but I have a cup of milk. I have a can of cream of chicken condensed soup. I have a can of cream of mushroom soup as well. And this is gonna be so awesome for this casserole. Casseroles and their creaminess are so good. Always a huge hit. I'm adding in some garlic powder and some onion powder. Add in some pepper as well to taste. Give this a stir and mix this all together. I'm going to pour this over the chicken, the noodles, and the veggies, and then I'm going to cover this with some tin foil, and all of these noodles are going to cook amazingly. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees, but I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 40 minutes, and you can serve with a side salad, and it is so, so good. Huge, huge hit. I'm going to be doing frozen meatballs once again this week because we just can't get enough of them. This is going to be a sweet and sour meatball. I have 2 diced up bell peppers. I'm using orange and green. Use your favorite colors. I'm doing a can of diced pineapple chunks. I drained the juice out of that. I have a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. I have a 1/4 cup I'm going to use of soy sauce as well. And this sauce is really, really great. Everyone loves it. I have ketchup. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of ketchup as well. I have some brown sugar, which gives this awesome taste. 1 tablespoon. I'm going to give this a little mix up all these sauces, mix up that ketchup, and then these are going to cook all day and be nice and tender and so, so flavorful. So you can cook these on high for 3 to 4 hours or on low for 7 to 8 hours. Serve it with your favorite sides. We like doing sides of veggies, but side salads are wonderful. Sides of rice and noodles is great too. So this is a huge hit. Like I said, meatballs are always a big hit in my house. So I do a lot of frozen meatball recipes. This dinner is amazing. I hope you loved these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners. They really save our schedule because we're so busy, and I really like to spend time with the family instead of spending a ton of time in the kitchen. So I hope that this motivates you to do some easy cooking for your family as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for lots more recipes, and I'll see you in my next video.